Hey guys, this is Uday Singh and I'm going to show you how can we use store procedures with ASP.NET. So let's start. We'll go to SQL Server and Studio Express, connect to the server. We'll create a new database. Let's give a name to the database, demo DB. Okay, database has been created and we are going to create a new table also. This table will store just name and first name and last name of users. So for first name, F name for storing first name, varchar, L name for storing last name. That's it. Save. Contacts, the name of the table. Let's set the F name to be a primary key. Now I'm going to create the store procedure which will fetch all the records from this table. It's a very simple table, just having two fields. So in programmability we'll get store procedures. I'm going to create a new store procedure. Now this is the template which we will get in SQL Server Management Studio Express to create store procedures, but I'm not going to use this template, so I'm going to delete this. I will create my own store procedure. Create this store procedure will just fetch all the records from the table. Create procedure. Let's give the owner name DBO, that is database owner. Now we have to give the name of the store procedure, get contacts. Okay, now select asterisk from contacts, the name of the table. Oops. Okay. Let's execute this. Okay, store procedure has been created. Let's open this and refresh it. Yeah, get contacts. This is the name of the studio we have created. Now let's execute this store procedure. Nothing. We are getting nothing just because we don't have any records in our table. So let's insert few records in our table also. Okay. Gupta. I'm just giving a few names of my friends. Okay. Oh, oops, I don't want to say this. Okay. So let's execute this procedure again. Yeah, this time we got the records. Execute it again. Yeah, now store procedure has been created, and I think let's go to the programming part. Open the Visual Web Developer 2010 Express. New project, JSP.NET application. Application. You can give the name of application whatever you want. I'm just leaving as it is. Okay. Oops, it's taking too long. Yeah. Let's take a grid view. We'll be showing all the records from the table in this grid view. Let's go to the code behind. Include the namespaces. System dot data system dot data SQL client. Let's make a database connection. SQL connection. Just create a connection string. Let's get a connection string to pass in the connection string. Str is equal to database explorer, database connection. No, SQL Server database server name. I must tell you my system is quite slow. Yeah. Demo DB, yeah. Once. This is got the connection string. It is the connection. Is it okay? Yes, it is. Yes, did it. Oh, I just used to get the connection string in this way so that it is always perfect. Just pass that connection string to the connection. Then let's create a SQL command. Adapter, let's create the object of SQL adapter also. I'm going to use that one also. DA SQL adapter. Let's create a data set also. Let's take a data set. Yes. Now the good feature of ADO.NET is that we can pass the store procedure in the same way as we used to do as we used to pass our SQL queries. So we have to just pass the name of the SQL procedure in the command get contacts. I think this is the name of the store procedure. Yeah, get contacts. The connection. So this is the connection which we are going to use to perform that command. Okay. Now we will fill that data set with the data adapter dot fill yes data set, and we'll give the name of the table. Name of the table was contacts. Okay. Now we have data grid view. This dot grid view dot data source. We have to set the data source to the grid view, and it should be the data set which we have just created. Now again I'm going to bind the grid view, data bind method. Bind. Okay, that's it. I have done the coding part, and let's build our project. Okay, we succeeded. Run it. Oops, there is an error. Oh, I have to set the command type also. So let's set the command type cmd dot command type is equal to new is equal to command type dot store procedure. Okay, we have to set it cmd dot da dot select command. Let's try it again. Yeah, we are getting the name of the our friends. Okay, that's it, my friends. Thanks for watching.